अरे सीरीज से आ रहे उधर से आया देख।
साइड से बाउंसर है बाउंसर। अरे विनोद यार।
अरे भाई चुप देख लो उधर। बाबा थोड़ा और इधर इधर बाबा बाबा। यार एक ग्रुप फोटो नहीं बैठ रहा है।
अरे पीछे पीछे
पीछा अरे पीछा नहीं यार मेरे भाई यार। अरे यार बाबा
ऑल ऑफ यू राइट 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 राइट
सर राइट में देखिए राइट राइट।
ऑल ऑफ यू राइट राइट राइट
सर राइट में देखिए राइट
ऑल ऑफ यू राइट राइट राइट
राइट। पराग भाई अरे सोलो
बाबा सोलो
बाबा बाबा
बाबा सोलो बाबा।
नाम रुपये आपका।
ये गोल्डन पिक्चर भाई साइड हो जा बाहर से भाई हट जा तू।
अरे यार
ये भाई
ये भाई साइड हो जा बाहर ही लो
इधर आइए इधर ये साइड रेड कार्ड।
हाँ आइए अरे वहां से मैं नहीं तेरे आगे देख कौन है।
रितेश भाई अरे नहीं मिलेगा
मैम थोड़ा यहाँ पे आइए
यहाँ पे देखिए मैम मैम यहाँ पे रेड कैमरा मैडम रेड
मैम राइट 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 में राइट राइट मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क
मैडम प्लीज कम हियर
मैम सेंटर प्लीज सेंटर
आइए थोड़ा सा
मैम
चला खेल।
लुक सेंटर कैमरा।
मैडम इधर राइट में देखिए
मैम राइट लुक सेंटर मैम राइट मैम यहाँ पर मैम
मैडम स्टार्ट कर दिया
मैम सेंटर यहाँ पर होल्ड यहाँ पर मैम यहाँ पर मैम यहाँ पर सेंटर मैम यहाँ पर या थैंक यू मैम।
This is too much fun.
Yes.
Thank you for
enjoy 30 best
Thank you मैम। Thank you bye।
नीचे बैठ जाऊंगा भाई।
As we are about to start, thank you.
बाबा
अपने ले
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं।
आगे बढ़ो
Welcome, ma'am. Also, would like to invite on stage AA Films, of course, the superstar Anil Thadani Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. He's distributing the movie. Please, sir, aye. Also, RKD Studios se Dugal Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. Digital partners Hindi mein hamare. Welcome, sir. It's time for a quick photo op. We do with this
in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen, remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo.
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director. But we have our own departments and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am.
अरे खड़े होकर पीछे कैसा पीछे होगा रे।
We have a couple of questions. Okay, so I'm going to do the honors on your behalf. Please be seated. Ali sir, बैठे हैं आप भी. Rami ma'am, Puri sir, please. Okay, Puri sir, the first question is for you from Amar from Mama Razi. Mama Razi, right? यही होता है. Okay, Puri sir, the first question for you is how much were you involved in the casting process of Double Smart? Puri Jagannath sir, ladies and gentlemen. वेलकम सर, थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर आए सबसे पहले और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं. यू नो, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म? सॉरी, वाज इट लाइक इजी और
Difficult thing is getting his dates.
And he had
working with
7
him is
films
very
lined
cool.
up.
That's why I call her a
7
go-getter
films
also.
lined up.
oh, that's an announcement.
That,
That's like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
We thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba. And 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles. Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are
Please.
happy, we are
Some wish, sir. फील कर रहे हो आप लुक से. You know, I saw a couple of people clicking selfies with him और छुप छुप के इनकी तस्वीरें ले रहे थे. Sir, talking about wholesome entertainment, as I said, Puri connects. With this movie, क्या लग रहा है सर, कहाँ तक जाने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आगे?
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता चोर चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double का मीठा. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya has supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th is just 7 more days. You know, I will talk on August 15th.
yes.
Thank you.
Of course, sir. Therefore, Sanjay sir, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, Ustad Rampur Tineri. सब पहली बार हो रहा है हीरो और एंटी हीरो आमने सामने आने वाले हैं और एक गाने को जिसको हम देखने वाले हैं. बाबा, right before the song, what do you have to say?
I just want to say that it's a beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharmi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता. I wish मैं कर सकता था, but really I really enjoyed every minute. And thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
Give it up for Baba, ladies and gentlemen. आपकी बारी. Quickly.
He's asking about the song.
Before the song.
Yeah. Big good song.
So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen as we play the song Big Bull for the first time. Audrey, so basically she's been after each and every detail. She's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. Zordar Talia. Chami, congratulations on this. You know, as we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के response की क्या होने वाला है. सीटियाँ तालियाँ बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
Thank you. Hello Mumbai. Hello everyone. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में we were blessed with a huge blockbuster in Telugu और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं। अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है। सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स अनिल धड़ानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी। दे विल हेल्प अस do justice, and I hope we have a good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. So we want you on the stage, sir. Zordar taaliyan for this versatile actor, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
मुझे बताएं sir, with this kind of response और यहाँ जो इतनी तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, when you saw that thing, the trailer और अपनी entry, what do you have to say, sir?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा एक 22 years बैक हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था। आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे, जब देखा फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये हमारे फिल्म में, और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई। क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 टाइम्स फिल्म देखा मदर इंडिया। कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती, अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा, अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको ऐसा क्यों चेंज कर रहा है। तो I belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I started my career 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग। हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता, तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट ने लेके आया। सो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ।
वो भाषा में एक डायलॉग बोलो।
ए लबाड़े पंते तारो, और इसका एक साउंड है वो अमेजन से आया।
जोरदार तालियां अलीसा के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. Out and out.
डबल स्मार्ट
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार। अल्लाह बनता है बाबा। Every time we see you, वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है। यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं। Talk to us about this team and of course about Big Bull.
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
कैसे सब लोग?
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
मस्त है ना?
एकदम फायर।
तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शर्मी और सब बोल रहे कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चरें और डेट नहीं मिलती। पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके, एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double Ice Panch Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you sir. Charveen.
Sir ji.
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है।
Sir ji, sorry.
ऐसे पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किए हैं यार, लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus. Thank you for letting me be around.
Sir ji, thank you ji.
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी हैगी, she's done a great job and she's looking so good. और इसको एक चीज है, इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको।
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता।
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, बोले हाँ कुछ यहाँ पे लग गया है। अरे, अब ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो। विशु, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ, सो इंस्पिरेशन फॉर यू टू लूज सम वेट, यू नो।
प्रोडक्शन के इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो गया।
राम, यू नो, इतना मजा है इसके साथ काम करके। अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था, लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है, छोटा सा। And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह हम लोग ने मस्ती भी की थोड़ी बहुत। I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhavi is there and Bhavi, thank you so much. Thank you Bhavi. And बस अब उनके पास और कुछ भी नहीं बोलना। Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. Zordar Talia, Baba, के लिए. Of course, we have to give it up for this superstar, a superb young actor, जिन्होंने इससे पहले जितनी बार भी फिल्मों में काम किया है, कमाल किया है, उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ustad Ram Portineni. Ladies and gentlemen, Zordar Talia. We can do better. We can make some more noise.
Lovely. They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we loved you over there. Of course, first pan-Indian film. Officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
हाँ?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it. Everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail, so please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with double Ishmat, with double the energy and double the everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're going to be a superstar everywhere.
Superstar in Telugu.
And
First film.
it's an honor working with you and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir, you know, we see heroes with attitude I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah, thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखती आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक, और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया. जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं. आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया. आई एम ट्रेम्बलिंग while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing, and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you, and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screen space share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. वही हो रहा है. क्या लफड़ा भाई. हे राम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मंथा मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई थी, एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने से बोला स्पिनच सूप, एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए, and I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best, and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charming ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman, and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे. She should be the charan sparsh charmi. That's what she is, because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say कि I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least. So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you. Puri sir! This is the biggest feather on my hat in my career journey, to be a Puri Jagannath heroine standing here today. Thank you sir for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double smart. Just a small story, I had auditioned for Smart Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out because double smart had to happen to me, and thank you for giving me this double power pack mass masala entertaining film. Thank you sir, love you.
Thank you so much.